equals your Lenovo ThinkPad won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often arises from faulty power connections or internal hardware problems. We diagnose the exact cause and replace any defective parts, ensuring your ThinkPad powers up like new. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.